Hey coders, do you know the name of the python was inspired by the British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, and it is originally developed by the Guido von Rossum in 90s 80s, and it is officially released in 1991. Do you know what is the common between NASA, Google and Instagram? They all are using the Python platform because Python is a high level programming language, interpreted and easy to understand. Because their syntax are simple, only print function is used to print any output. Python is a versatile because in the various fields it is used automation, machine learning, AI, web development and data science. It uses the use libraries and the community. There are some NumPy, Panda and Flask and TensorFlow are used for data analysis and the AI development. For more updates, join us Dr. Codecraft